So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are doing the COMEDK counseling for this year, so here I am with the expected cutoff for
सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं।
for lower 10 college, that is best 10 college at low score what you can get. I will try to provide you, and all these 10 colleges will provide you better education and better placement after 4 years. So that's why I've included these colleges. As you also know, there are multiple colleges available, but some of the colleges are not advisable to take the admission. So that's why I have not included those colleges. If you are if you're sure about any college, you can ask me in the comment section so that I can provide you whether you should join or not. But these colleges are worth to take the admission, because once you get the admission, your education level and placement will be better. So let's get started with the video. ACS college 75,000 will be the cutoff expected up to the last round for CSE branch. Other branches data is not available. So if you are looking for better college at very high rank, then this college will provide you the option that is for you in the COMEDK counseling process. So try to do the choice filling very carefully. That is very important. That's why I'm here to guide you completely. If you want, you can register. There is a very nominal charge for that. Once you register, I will be guiding you until your admission is done. So hope you get my point. In the next section, you will be able to check the detail of my guidance. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want, and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, Jagdali, Jag Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that, and by sending your detail. Hope you have checked the detail of my guidance. Now APS College of Engineering 40,000 CSE, 65,000 CSE specialization will be the cutoff up to last round. Ataria Institute of Technology 41,000 CSE, CSE specialization 55,000. Information Science Engineering 60,000, EC 80,000. Now if you talk about for GSSS Institute of Technology only for women, here is the information for CSE 36,000, CSE specialization 50,000, ISC 48,000, EC 60,000. Now if you talk about JNNC Jawaharlal Nehru National College of Engineering 45,000, 60,000, 70 and 78,000 is for CSE, CSE specialization, ISC and EC. Already I have uploaded the video regarding the top 10 and top 30 college expected cutoff for this year, and after that I am including this 10 college, because many of you have asked me to provide the information to get the CSE at higher rank. So that's why I'm providing you this information. You can check my previous video in the I button as well in the description box. So now if you talk about RJIT, that is Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology 50,000 for CSE. Now if you talk about KLE Hubli second campus 37 and 40,000 for CSE and CSE specialization respectively, and for ECE 55,000. Now if you talk about for Vidya Bharda in engineering college, here is the information: 28,000 CSE, 35,000 CSE specialization, 40 and 50,000 for ISC and ECE. Now if you talk about for BGS 55, 65 and 70,000 for CSE, CSE specialization, ISC. Now if you talk about for Don Bosco Institute of Technology, here is the information: 59,000 for CSE, 68,000 for CSE specialization, 69,000 for ISC, 75,000 for EC. So these are the information for best 10 college at low rank, that you can say at low score, at very high rank also you will able to get the college if you do the counseling very carefully up to the last round. So if you want the top 10 college lower branch cutoff, you can comment down so that I will provide you mechanical, civil, electrical branches cutoff in top 10 college of COMEDK counseling. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe the channel.